Now that our vegetables are in the oven and our vegetable stock is working, we're going to start in on our chicken. So we're going to take a red onion, cut off the ends, and cut it in half. And then it should be very easy to take the skin off. And then we're just going to slice this into rings, half rings. I'll take those and separate them. Then we're going to take the bottom of our pepper because we want to avoid the seeds on the top. We'll cut that in half, and then we'll cut away this white rib. Then we'll cut these into slices. Then we'll come to our saute pan. We'll turn our burner up to about 7, and we'll add a tablespoon of oil.